The Bears rule in the pack. Get that through that mind.
If you lose the first game to the Packers, I get to buy you a Packers jersey and you have to wear it for the next game.
You would have to wear a Bears jersey and you would have to make a video and share it on all of your social media saying the Bears rule the Pack, and then you'd have to tear your Packers jersey. My name is Owen, I'm 9. My passions are I like sports and I want to be an athlete or a rapper when I grow up. I have lots of fun no matter what I do, and I'm really good at math and science and history. Dr. Asa, funny, and he likes basketball, and he's like he's good around kids. I love Afton, and I like coming here because I'm a Bears fan. Go Bears!